ओम श्री गणेशाय नमः। श्रीमन्नारायणीयम्। ओम श्री कृष्णाय परब्रह्मणे नमः। दशकं 70 श्लोका 4। कदापि खलु सीरिणा विहरति त्वयि स्त्रीजनैः जहारधनदानुगः स किल शङ्खचूडो बलाः अतिधृतमनुद्रतः तमथ मुक्तनारीजनम् रुरोजितशिरोमणिं हलभृते च तस्या ददाः। Word by word meaning. Kadapi khalu, once indeed. Twayi, when thou. Sirina, along with Balarama. Siraha, plow. Strijanaihi, and with women. Viharati, word playing. Dhanadanugaha, an emissary of Kubera. Saha, Shankachudaha, that Shankachuda. Abalaha, the women. Jahara kila, did kidnap. Atha tvam, then thou. Atidrutam, anudrutaha, pursuing him very fast. Mukta nari janam tam, him who released the women. Rurojitha, didst kill. Tasya shiromanim, his crest jewel. Halabrute, to Balarama. Adadaha, cha, didst also give. Full meaning. Once, when thou wert playing along with Balarama and some women, one Shankachuda, an emissary of Kubera, kidnapped the women. Thou didst pursue him when, out of fear, he released the women. Thou didst then kill him and give his crest jewel to Balarama. Om Tat Sat.